What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to invest with $100 in 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm always interested in reading you guys' comments. First, how can you invest $100? Well, you can invest into a Robo Advisor. When I first started out, it wasn't really easy to invest, but now you can invest right in with your phone. You have things like apps like Betterment, Acorns, Stash, M1 Finance, even Robinhood. So I would definitely suggest you try one of these out. Number 2, a 401k or IRA. It's easy. It comes like a paycheck, and everything really done for you. IRA, you can set up automatic investments, and it's done for you as well. I definitely encourage you guys to maximize your investments. Buy some books. I know you can learn so many things from books, gain so many knowledge, so many skills. So please, it's a good investment right here. Online courses. It's amazing how you can learn so many things just from online courses, from real estate, marketing, business, you name it. If I was you, I definitely want to go and take an online course. Number 5, get a domain name. I would say this was used for start a website, online business. Maybe you want to get your own t-shirt company, jewelry, whatever it is, but a domain name can come very cheap and easy. I just want to share these 5 things to invest in 2020 with $100. And leave a comment, tell me about something that you can be invested in 2020.